So in the
Recording in
applications
progress.
of derivatives, okay, so the MCQs, now we are going to discuss the MCQs, okay, so term one, for term one exam, okay. So now, here the question is, the containment obtained after eating X units of a new dish at a trial function is given by the function f of x is equals to x cube plus 6x square plus 5x plus 3. The marginal containment when 3 units of dish are consumed is. Okay. So here, whatever the function is given. So first write the function. First write the function. So here, given function is f of x is equals to x cube plus 6x square plus 5x plus 3. Okay. After that, he is asking the marginal containment. Marginal containment. Okay. So here, marginal containment. Marginal containment. Marginal containment is nothing but derivative of the function. If you want to find out the marginal containment or marginal profit or marginal cost like this, okay, so then you need to differentiate that function d by dx of f of x, d by dx of f of x, okay. So now simply you differentiate that function, given function, okay. So that is nothing but d by dx of f of x. What is f of x function? So take this function and differentiate that, okay. So that means we are differentiating x cube plus 6x square plus 5x plus 3, okay. So now here, what is the next step here? Okay, so the next step is we are writing the d by dx for each and every term. So write the d by dx for this, and write the d by dx. Okay. So one by one. Okay. For each and every term, we are writing the differentiation derivative d by dx. Okay. So that means d by dx of x cube. Okay. Plus d by dx of 6x square plus d by dx of 5x and d by dx of 3. D by dx of 3. Okay. So now here this is equals to d by dx of x cube. So by x power 3. X power 3 is nothing but x power n formula. What is x power n formula? So n into x to the power n minus 1. 3 into x power 3 minus 1 plus 6 is outside. And we are differentiating this x square. X square derivative is 2 into x power 2 minus 1. 6 is a coefficient. Okay, write the 6 coefficient outside and differentiate this x power 2. Differentiate this x power 2. Okay. Now 5 is outside and d by dx of x, derivative of x is equals to 1 plus constant, 3 is a constant here. There is no variable, that's why it is a constant. D by dx of constant is 0. So that means here 3x power 2 plus 6 2 is a 12x and plus 5. Okay, this is a marginal containment, but what is given here? So 3 units of dish are consumed. Particular case he is asking. He is asking the particular case. That means x is equals to 3. Okay, so just you substitute x is equals to 3 and find out the value here. Okay, so therefore marginal containment is equals to d by dx of f of x after getting the answer. Okay, so whatever we get, so for that we have to take x is equals to 3, substitute x is equals to 3, means whatever we are getting the function. Okay, so answer here 3x square plus 12x plus 5. Okay, so here 3x square plus 12x plus 5. Okay, in this I am going to substitute x is equal to 3, so that we get the final answer. Okay, 3 into x square, that is 3 square, plus 12 into x, that is 3, plus 5, plus 5. 3 square is 9, 9 3 is 27, 12 3 is 36, plus 5. Okay, so that means 27 plus 36, this is 57, 63 and 68. Okay, 68, this is only the required answer. 68 units, 68 units. Okay, this is the required solution. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So here, the marginal revenue received from the sale of X units of a product is given by R of X is equals to 3x square plus 36x plus 5 in rupees. Here, this is question is completely assertion and reason based question. Here, assertion is given as the revenue, the marginal revenue when X is equals to 5 is 66. Okay, so we have to verify, we have to check whether the given value is correct or not. After that, reason he is given here. Marginal revenue is the rate of change of total revenue with respect to the number of items sold at an instance. Okay, this is a definition of marginal revenue. Marginal revenue. Okay, so is it correct or not, or is it correct explanation for the question or not? We have to verify this. Okay, so now here what is given? So given function I am taking here. I am taking the given function. Given R of X is equals to 3x square plus 36x plus 5. Okay, so now marginal revenue. Here we are going to find the marginal revenue. What is the formula for finding the marginal revenue? Marginal revenue. Okay, so marginal revenue is equals to differentiate the function. If you want to get that marginal revenue, differentiate that function. Okay, so that is nothing but we are differentiating this function d by dx of given function is 3x square plus 36x plus 5. Okay, differentiating now. Okay, so now here write the d by dx separately for each and every term, for this term and this term and this term. Okay, one by one if you write. Okay, so then what we get? This is equals to d by dx of 3x square. 3 I am writing outside and x square differentiating. D by dx of 36x. Okay, so in this 36x also, I'll write the 36 as a coefficient and d by dx of x differentiating the x and d by dx of constant, that is 5. Okay, so now this is equals to 3 into x square derivative, 2 into x power 2 minus 1 x power n formula, and 36 into x derivative is 1, constant derivative 0. 3 to the 6x plus 36 into 1 36. Okay, this is only the marginal revenue, but marginal revenue when x is equals to 5 he is asking. He is asking the marginal revenue at x is equals to 5. Okay, so here marginal revenue when x is equals to 5. Okay, that means d by dx of r, d by dx of r. Okay, so r of x. Okay, this equals to what is the function? So write that function here. That is 6x plus 36. 6x plus 36. Okay, at x is equals to 5. Means we are going to substitute x is equals to 5 in this. So 6 into 5 plus 36. 6 5 is 30. Okay, so 30 plus 36. That is nothing but 60. 60 is the required answer. So is it correct answer? Yes. Okay. So the value whatever it is, that is correct answer. Okay, so means assertion is true. And after that, check the reason. Marginal revenue is the rate of change of the total revenue with respect to the number of items sold at an instance. Yes, okay, this is the definition, and this is also correct explanation of assertion. Okay, so that means both are true, and okay, this is the correct explanation of that. Okay, so here the options are both A and R are true, and R is correct explanation of A. This is the first option, and first option only correct here. Second option, if you go with the second option, both A and B are true, but R is not correct explanation of A. That is option B wrong. and A is true, but R is false. Third option is wrong. And fourth option, A is false and R is true. That is also wrong. Yes, ma'am.